If you're over 40 and worry that AI will replace you, your biggest mistake is not AI itself. It is continue to work exactly the same way you've been working while your industry changes around you. In this video, we will talk about the fear of AI, which is a big problem nowadays, how to overcome that, like your solution for this problem that I recommend. Also, what to do next. And finally, if you follow the video till the end, I'll give you the hope that things are going to change. Means that fear is creating paralysis. People feel that AI is eliminating their jobs, that they're frightened, that they're afraid that they're becoming obsolete, and they don't take any actions. They might believe that they're too old or too left behind. They either ignore AI or try to learn everything at once, and that's difficult because AI is changing so fast that it could become very overwhelming for many of us that are not used to AI before now. It doesn't mean that your experience is obsolete at all. If you have 20, 30 years of experience, you actually have a lot of value right now in the marketplace, because there is studies that have shown that um, people who have value and have experience, they can combine all that knowledge with AI and be a lot more productive nowadays. Let me repeat again. You might feel like a 25-year-old that all of a sudden your experience, you have no experience, and AI is replacing you and you're worthless, but it's not. Your experience has value. Your experience combined with your knowledge, it has a tremendous value, and we're gonna talk about it on this channel. When I mean that your experience is not obsolete, I mean, like, for example, let me give you an example. If you are a banker, yes, AI can replace many of the financing. It can be financial recommendations. It can produce graphs and charts and organize the workflow, but it does not know the person in front of them. It cannot sense the human behavior of the person asking them for a loan. They cannot have a deep conversation and uncover things that are not in a report. They cannot make a relationship. They can, I mean, they can provide more relationship and be more effective at their job along with an AI tool. For example, one solution. I have thought about this many times because I am also in this boat. We are all the same. AI is changing for all of us, right? So in this case, my experience plus AI ability, I'm going to combine that plus my human judgment creates career protection. That's the formula right there. Experience, AI ability, human judgment, creates career protection. How do you do this? How do you find out? Find a repetitive task AI can accelerate. One important decision, their judgment matters, that your judgment matter, right? So find an important decision that your judgment matter. That's number two. And create a human interaction that AI cannot manage alone. For example, you create 3 columns, right? On top, you put AI can help me with my judgment is required, and then people need me for. So you make that line across. So 3 columns, right? First column, AI can help me with drafting reports, right? AI can help you with research, and AI can help you with organization information, right? Checking, then my judgment is required to checking accuracy, understanding the risk, choosing the right option, and then people need me for explain the indecisions, build the trust, and manage emotions. Those 3 things. That's how you create a framework to be more powerful and also build, consolidate AI technology with your knowledge. If you have any more questions, please send me the comments below and ask me a question, and I will be able to send this link to you. I can send it to you, this little graph that I created, this little map.